In this video, I'll be discussing relation between orbital velocity and escape velocity of a satellite. Right. Suppose that we have a satellite like this. First of all, this is Earth, which has mass m, radius r. Suppose that there is a satellite which is revolving around the Earth like this. So it has some orbital velocity. So let's say mass of the satellite is m. So we know that for orbital velocity v0, centripetal force has to be equal to gravitational force. So that means this will be g capital M small m, and if this distance is r, orbit radius is r, this is r square, and F centripetal will be m v0 square upon r. This is cancelled out, this is cancelled out. So v0 will be under root of gm upon r. So this is going to be the value of orbital velocity. Perfect. Now talking about escape velocity says that means how much amount of velocity or energy one should provide so that this satellite can escape to the gravitational field of the Earth. For escape velocity, energy will be 0 in order to just escape. That means E will be 0, E is going to be K plus U, total energy will be kinetic energy will be potential energy, V provided half m into VE velocity, then U will be minus gm small m upon r at that moment. So we should solve here in order to find out the final expression. So we achieve mve square by 2 is equal to gmm upon r. So this m cancelled out, so ve will be is equal to under root of 2 gm upon r. So this is going to be the equation number 2. This was equation number 1. So clearly we can observe, we can divide equation number 2 by 1. Divide equation number 2 by 1. So we achieve VE upon V0 is equal to under root of 2 gm upon r upon under root of gm upon r. This is cancelled out, this is root 2. So VE is equal to V0 root 2. So this is going to be the relation between escape velocity and orbital velocity. Okay, so one thing you can remember, VE will be 11.3 kilometer per second if object was on the surface of Earth. So this is the relation between escape velocity and orbital velocity. You should be able to remember this. This is very, very important conceptually, okay, in gravitation.